absorbs into your skin like anything, and if you can use it at night, then the next morning you will see that your skin has become smoother, it is glowing, it is shining, your skin is looking like clearer. I don't know what is there in this product. It is like an elixir, like. Hello my happy fam, welcome to my channel. This is me Rajrupa, Queen of Happiness, and आज हम लोग करने वाले हैं कुछ interesting. I'm going to show you everything that I've bought from Nykaa this month. And मैं इसके साथ साथ मिनी रिव्यूज भी देती रहूंगी ताकि ये जो प्रोडक्ट्स मैंने इस्तेमाल किए हैं वो अगर आपको अच्छा लगे और आपके काम में आए, nothing like it, you can also go and buy it. So without further ado, let's start. Coming to the next product, which is again a very favorite of everybody who is high on skincare, that is Bioderma ka micellar water. Now this is a sensible H2O micellar water from Bioderma. This product was basically suggested to me by one of my well-wishers, and after she suggested it to me, then only I went and bought it. I think first यहाँ पर नहीं है मेरे पास, लेकिन first I got the smaller bottle of this. Haven't applied makeup जैसे कि आप घर पर हो, but still you have to maintain the CTM routine. Then this is something which is very light on your skin, but at the same time it's very effective. This usually costs, ये 250 ml का bottle है. This costs 999 rupees, which is 1000 rupees basically. But I got this at a discount. Nykaa पर discount चल रहा था, so I got this at 849 rupees, which is very less. तो मैंने सोचा कि मुझे तो ये ज़रूरत है, ये मेरा वाला ख़त्म हो गया था, so I got this. Next product, which is again a personal hygiene product, and it is also a very good product. You can try. It is Clean and Dry Intimate Cleansing Foam Wash. So Clean and Dry first came as just a normal intimate wash, but this is the foaming wash that they have come out with, and I think this is a very good product. To all the girls who like to use personal hygiene products, you must go for the foaming one, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि ये foaming जो है ये ज़्यादा sensitive और it is much more what do you call soft है आपकी skin के ऊपर, क्योंकि it is a foam. It doesn't put in a lot of chemicals to your skin because that is a very sensitive area. So this is a very good product. Now ये भी आपका आता है around 269 rupees में, but right now when you watch this video, if you can go and check out on Nykaa if you want this product, then अभी ये एक discount पे available है. So this will come in around 240-ish something, 250 or 240 something में. Coming to another product which is from Nykaa itself, or Nykaa is not just a skincare and makeup website, but it is also a brand which makes skincare and makeup. तो मुझे लगता है Nykaa का खुद के brands के makeup और skincare बहुत अच्छे हैं. They are low on your pocket pinch, but at the same time they are high on quality. So this is one product you must have if you don't have too much of a sensitive skin, if you do not have too much of an oily skin. I think you can go for it. मेरा खुद का sensitive skin है. मैं पहले बताती हूँ what is this. This is the skin potion or facial oil from Nykaa, and this is a 24 karat gold wala. So this is definitely a product which is going to change your skincare game. This just absorbs into your skin like anything, and if you can use it at night, then the next morning you will see that your skin has become smoother, it is glowing, it is shining, your skin is looking like clearer. I don't know what is there in this product. It is like an elixir, like एक dropper है. It just adds a sheen, a glamour, a very smooth texture to your skin. And in fact, once I was doing the facial for my fiance, and I had applied this on him also, like for on his face. He has a very sensitive skin and a super oily skin. Like हम लोग तो उसे oil का factory भी बोल सकते हैं. मतलब he just produces so much of oil from his face. Like he has super oily skin. But this product absorbed into his skin also without causing any pimples, anything. It just made his skin glow. Basically costs around 999, again 1000 rupees का product. But जब मैंने इसे खरीदा था उस वक्त कोई सेल चल रहा था and I was so lucky. I got this in around I guess 699 rupees, so around 700 rupees में, जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा चीप था क्योंकि मैं अभी तो हमेशा देखती हूँ ये प्रोडक्ट नायका पर आइदर सोल्ड आउट है एंड अगर है भी तो इट कॉस्ट 999, बट दिस इज़ वर्थ इट. एंड ये सेम स्किन केयर मतलब ये फेशियल ऑयल वाला रेंज में नायका हैज़ सेवरल अदर काइंड्स ऑफ ऑयल्स. Next product. Now this is a PR package basically. So since this product is also available on Nykaa, तो मैंने सोचा कि मैं इसको इस वीडियो में डाल देती हूँ ताकि मैं आप लोगों को इसे दिखा सकूँ. तो ये एक PR पैकेज में मेरे पास भेजा गया है. इसका मतलब ब्यूटिफुल पाउच. इट लुक्स वेरी क्यूट एंड दे हैव ऑल्सो सेंट अ क्यूट मैसेज विद इट. Basically this is a facial razor. This is the Feather Peony eyebrow and facial razor. Yeah. Or I guess it is only for the eyebrow. यहाँ पर eyebrow लिखा हुआ है. So yeah, this is only for the eyebrow. Trusted razor for your skin or your eyebrow. You can go with this brand. I think their make is very good, and this is a Japanese brand especially. So you know, the product is like trustworthy, so you can go for it, and it is not very pricey as well. Now they have sent a very cute message with it. They have said, "Dear, we want to inform you that we are very pleased that you have invested in your time and efforts for our product. Certainly, we truly appreciate your efforts for honest and remarkable review. Once again, thank you." Team Royal Shaving Company. Okay, so Royal Shaving Company has sent this to me, and yeah, so I think this is a nice product. You can go for it. Next product is again a skincare product. This is a blackhead remover. Basically, I have never tried this. तो मैंने blackhead के दो products लिए. The first product is from Bronson. This is a blackhead remover. Basically, this is a tool. So I'll just show you how it is. And the packaging is very good. You can store this back into this packet after you use it. Now this is how it looks like. If you all have used a blackhead remover before, you know. So this costed me around 70 rupees, which is very very cheap for a handy product like this, which I can keep using and reusing every time. Now this is the side with which you know you can just press it and all the blackheads can just come out, and this is the other side. इसको भी I guess ऐसे press करते हैं कुछ ऐसे, या फिर oil को sebum को निकालने के लिए use करते हैं. So this is something which all of you can have, and in fact use this at least once a month or twice a month for you know removing your blackheads. In fact once a week बहुत अच्छा होगा. Make this a part of your facial routine. If you do a facial at home, just put some oil like this, you know, ऐसा कोई oil डालिए, face पर मसाज कीजिए and then just remove this. अगर कोई cleansing oil है आपके पास, जैसे कि face shop का rice water cleansing, ऐसा कोई अगर cleansing oil है, then it's even better. Next product that I got from Nykaa this time is Mama Earth का Uptan face mask. This is a very good product. Like I got this for using it on my face and my hands. And let me tell you कि ये वाला it just cost 499 rupees. मैंने पहले जब इसका बॉटल देखा या इसका ये जो डब्बा देखा, मुझे लगा कि this is not much of a product for utilizing it also on my hand. But इसका जो consistency है अंदर, इसका स्मेल बहुत अच्छा है. This smells like chandan, you know, it smells like sandal. एंड इसका जो कंसिस्टेंसी है इट्स वेरी वेरी थिक. तो अगर आपको हाथ पर लगाना भी है, सो यू कैन जस्ट टेक लिटिल बिट. इनफैक्ट इसके साथ एक स्पैचुला भी आता है इन ऑर्डर टू मेंटेन दी हाइजीन, बट मैं अभी सिर्फ दिखा रही थी आप लोगों को. तो या इट इज़ वेरी कंसिस्टेंट। तो इसके साथ अगर आप वाटर मिक्स हल्का सा थोड़ा सा ही वाटर मिक्स करके अगर लगाओ तो आपके पूरे हाथ के ऊपर ही कवर हो जाएगा। Coming to another product from Mamaearth, this is the Vitamin C Sleeping Mask. Now this is also another product which not all, but most of the beauty bloggers and bloggers have been talking about, like they've been raving about that how good is this. But honestly, this is an honest review from me. I have used this and I haven't found it that great. This is a very different product, definitely बहुत different है। इसके अगर अंदर आप देखो तो ये जेली टाइप का है। तो अगर किसी को उतना ज़्यादा ऑयली या क्रीमी कंसिस्टेंसी के प्रोडक्ट्स रात को नहीं अप्लाई करना है, देन यू कैन गो फॉर दिस, बट दिस डजन अगेन मॉइस्चराइज योर स्किन मच। इट इज़ अ स्लीपिंग मास्क, so it should be a little thicker, but it is not. It gives more of a watery finish, and then it sometimes also when I wake up in the morning ना तो मेरा स्किन थोड़ा सा ड्राई लगता है, तो मुझे ये प्रोडक्ट उतना अच्छा नहीं लगा। I'm not very sure about what results this product has given to me because I haven't seen any difference in my face after applying this, and इसका price is not very less. This is 599 to 600 rupees है। बड़ा डब्बा है, true, उस हिसाब से price less है, but price less नहीं है उस हिसाब से, but price कम है, less है, price is lesser. But I think 700 rupees या 600 rupees में आपको तो कुछ और भी मिल जाएंगे। I think those products are much better. Again, a very interesting one, a very interesting buy for me at least. Now this is the Insight mascara. This is the Perfect Ultra Curl mascara from Insight, and this is the first time I got a cheaper range ka mascara. I usually do not compromise with the products that I use on my skin or my eyes. It's in a very luxurious package. First of all, this just costed me 115 rupees, and right now when I made this video, it is out of stock on Nykaa, so you can understand that how much people buy this, trust this also. How good the mascara is, you can judge by the wand. Now coming to a product which is 115 rupees only, the wand is amazing. It is amazing. This is the wand, so this is a curling wand if you can see, and इसमें ना ये जो इसका माउथ का पोर्शन है, this is like this pretty tight, तो इसमें एयर ज़्यादा जाने का चांसेस कम है। तो when you use the wand on your eyes, इसमें उतना ज़्यादा एयर नहीं जा रहा, तो ये जल्दी सूखेगा नहीं। And again, you don't have to like go in a lot of times. You just have to take it for one swipe, and then मैं इसको आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ। You can see बहुत ज़्यादा pigmented है, and इसका जो wand है बहुत clear है। It's very clear if you can see it. Coming to the next product which I got from Nykaa, it is this is a very famous product, मुझे इसको introduce करने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है। This is from Maybelline. This is the Instant Age Rewind Eraser, which is basically a concealer. This comes in this soft, cushiony kind of applicator, which is very different, very typical of this. Now I got this in the shade, what shade is this? Ivory. I got this in the shade Ivory, which is pretty, whitish kind of a shade, but this completely disappears, like helps in disappearing my dark circles, which appears sometimes as unwanted guests along with late nights. इसका प्राइस है around 620 rupees, which is I think worth it because इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा products है. This is in what, जितना भी ग्राम्स का हो, जो भी हो, बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट्स है जो आपका बहुत दिनों तक लास्ट करेगा, so you really don't have to worry. Alright, so coming to another Mamaearth ka product. Now this is again a very favorite product of mine. This is the Skin Plump Face Serum, and this costs 599 rupees, which is actually 600. ये सिर्फ ऐसे प्राइस करके रख देते हैं हम लोग को बुद्धू बनाने के लिए, but yeah, it's like almost 600, but this product is worth it, इसका भी कंसिस्टेंसी आपको दिखा देती हूँ, इस हैंड पे दिखाती हूँ इस बार। It's a very nice product. ये आपकी स्किन पे ग्लो ऐड करता है, आपकी स्किन को स्मूथ करता है, and with time it definitely plumps up your skin. This is true. Made out of hyaluronic acid and rosehip oil. तो इसमें है ये प्रोडक्ट सच में होगा भी क्योंकि मामा अर्थ का है. मामा अर्थ के प्रोडक्ट्स अच्छे हैं. अपार्ट फ्रॉम द विटामिन सी स्लीपिंग मास्क, आई थिंक ज़्यादातर प्रोडक्ट्स उनके मुझे अच्छे लगे हैं. So hyaluronic acid, adds helps in storing the moisture in your face, locking the moisture, and rosehip oil also helps in clarifying your skin and at the same time, adding extra moisture to your skin. So this is a product which is worth it. आप इसे ले सकते हो. Next, I have another sheet mask. From the brand Tony Moly, which is a South Korean brand again. This is also a part of the South Korean skincare range. And this is a sheet mask which is in the flavor Macchioli. What is it basically? Whatever it is, but Tony Moly का sheet mask भी बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. Discounts in the same range as Nykaa or even Etude House के masks. So you can get Tony Moly's mask. इसका एक wine होता है, red wine का mask, और this one, and there's another rice water one also. All are very good. Tony Moly के masks बहुत अच्छे होते हैं, but मेरा तो favorite honestly अभी तक Nykaa का ही रहा है क्योंकि उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा serum रहता है जो आप एक से ज़्यादा बार भी use कर सकते हो. The last but not the least are these products. Like it's the same product, मैंने दो लिया है. So this came in a pack of 2. This is the Hip Hop Cleansing Charcoal Nose Strips. Now I have been I've been seeing a bit of blackheads around my nose and ये portion. तो मैंने एक तो वो tool लिया ही है. मैंने सोचा कि मैं इसे ले लेती हूँ ताकि मेरे जब मैं इसको लगा के अपना काम करूँगी and then I can just remove it and करने से ही मेरा पूरा ब्लैक हेड्स चला जाएगा. सो या आई गॉट दिस एंड ये मैंने अभी तक यूज़ नहीं किया है पर वहाँ पर रिव्यूज़ अच्छे ही थे. एंड दिस कम्स बेसिकली इन दिस वे. आई शो यू. इसके अंदर 3 स्ट्रिप्स रहता है. सो आई गॉट दिस इन अ पैक ऑफ 2 वाला रेंज विच कॉस्टेड मी अराउंड 178 रुपीज़. बट अगर आप सिर्फ एक बॉक्स खरीदना चाहते हो जिसके अंदर 3 स्ट्रिप्स रहता है तो इट विल जस्ट कॉस्ट यू अराउंड 89 रुपीज़ आई गेस, विच इज़ pretty cheap and pretty handy. Alright, so that was it. That was my Nykaa haul. All the lovely products that I got from Nykaa मैंने आप लोगों के साथ शेयर किया और मिनी छोटू सा रिव्यू भी शेयर किया. So let me know how you liked my video. If you liked it, then don't forget to hit the like button and do let me know in the comment section below कि आपको कैसा लगा, आपको कौन सा प्रोडक्ट्स अच्छा लगा, आपने यूज़ किया है कि नहीं इससे पहले. If you have any suggestion, any advice, you can write down below. ज़रूर कमेंट कीजिएगा. And also subscribe to my channel for more videos on lifestyle category, in the sense मेरे सब kinds of videos आते हैं, whether it is skincare, whether it is makeup, whether it is dancing, whether it is short scripts, or whether it is motivational. So yeah, we have a house full of content here. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. As I said, I'm there as Queen of Happiness Rajrupa. We are a big family there. We are growing there, I guess. So don't forget to support me over there by following me and liking all the content that I upload there. मैं वहाँ regularly IGTV reels भी बनाती हूँ on skincare, makeup, motivation, dance, lot of fun stuff. So come and follow me there, be a part of my Instagram family, and follow me on Facebook. My page is there as Queen of Happiness. So there also, and we can stay in touch. Till then, be happy and create value. Long live our happiness. Bye bye.